Hello everyone and welcome to Kung Fu Kids by Kids. And today we're going to do lesson 5 nested loops in maze. This is going to be great. Help the bee collect all of the nectar. So we just need to move forward and be there. Move forward again. We then get the nectar. Move forward and get the nectar. But I guess instead I could do this so that it has a right amount. So if I just do that, it should just get the nectar, and it also has, it won't make it go over the limit of blocks. This is going to be great. Help the bee collect all of the nectar. So let's use some repeats for this. So it should be 4 times since we're just like going around. Actually, I think 3. So if we then move forward, and if we're going to repeat this twice for this, move forward, get nectar. And I forgot to do turn right. And now we got the nectar. And we're going to watch this video.
Now we're going to use nested loops with the bee. We're given some starter code which tells the bee to move forward and get nectar 3 times and then turn right. Let's take that whole piece of code and nest it inside another repeat block and set it to repeat 3 times. Done.
Well, I've already done this one, but it says look closely at the nested loops below. What will happen when you click run? So this was the same code that I did before, except it wasn't expecting me to do that. That's why I said 15 lines of code, but I did it in 6. This time, help the bee collect all of the nectar using as few blocks as possible. So it's given you a limit of what blocks to use. So this should be repeat 4 times. And I'm going to do, well, there's 4 of it there, so I'm going to put it to get nectar, move forward. Then once it's done that, it'll then turn right. Since there's a flower beneath. I think I might need to change that to 3 times. Zombie hungry. Get the zombie to the sunflower using the fewest blocks as possible. So let's see how one movement is. So it's up to there. And I can only use 1 move forward, which means I have to use a repeat. So I'm going to do move forward. That should be 3 times. Then turn left.
Brains.
And I meant to do it like this.
Brains.
get the zombie to the sunflower using the fewest blocks as possible. So I'll need to go the long way round here. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So if I do this and put this inside, I'll have to move that 3 times and that 3 times. And it should then be turn left. Wait, actually, no, it's turn right.
Brains.
Get the zombie to the sunflower using the fewest blocks as possible. So it should then go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So there's only a limited amount of repeat blocks, which tells us that we'll need to use them. So it's going to be repeat 4 times, I'm pretty sure. So if we do, actually I think it's 2 times. And we're supposed to use all of them most of the time. So let's turn this one to move forward, then turn left. And it'll do that twice. So let's see where that gets us. And I have to remove this one. Let's see what it gets. And I didn't mean to put it like that. Like, So maybe if I do, I have to. So if I put that to 0,
Brains.
so it's just going to do that. 1, 2, 3. Since it's going to end up repeating that. So then I just do like. So I have 2 blocks left, so I should be using 2 other blocks. So I think I'm going to put turn left here, another move forward, and then a move right so that it gets me back on track.
Brains.
And it's now working. Must eat sunflower. Get the zombie to the sunflower using only the blocks available. So we have to go this route. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's the route that we need to take. And there's already a move forward there anyway. So we'll obviously need repeat blocks. And I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times on it. So if we then put another repeat block for 5 times, or move forward, and then I try and do a turn left, let's see how far that gets us. It gets us that far, but then we need to stop. So I'll put it 3 times. It's then going to turn left. Except I can't. I'll have to put. It's just where I'm going to put this for that. So then I'll have to put this in here. And let's see what it does here. And I'm just making it more complicated at this point. So if it then moves forward 3 times, but it's supposed to move forward. No, it's supposed to move forward 5 times. So it gets there, then it turns left. And it should just be that like I take this out. So then if I'm moving forward 5 times and doing that, and I need to then repeat this 3 times, I should then be able to put this here for repeat twice and move forward. Well, it's 1, 2, 3, 3 times and turn left.
Brains.
This is now a challenge puzzle here. Figure out how to get all the nectar using only the blocks available. So there's 12 nectar in each flower, so we'll have to go around multiple times. The make honey we don't need, it's just a new block. And there's now only 1 get nectar, 3 repeat, and 2 move forwards. So let's have a repeat, and I'll definitely want us to do get nectar, then move forward. So I'm going to try this since 12 nectar in each of them. Actually, it's supposed to be 4 times there. I can set this to 12 for the get nectar. Move forward, and then when I have that, so if I then put it in there, and let's see what that does. So now that that's happened, like it's then going to have to turn right. Let's see what that does. And that hasn't worked, so I'll have to remove the extra one. Oh, but I think it's supposed to do like get next to move forward. So if I can't just repeat that 12 times, I'll have to do 4 and maybe this 12 times instead. Then I can move forward, then turn right. Let's see where that ends up. And then we change that to 3.
I'm doing it! They're doing stuff that's already done. Please.
It's very slow.
1 hour and then sign up. I am doing this.
So we need to collect more nectar. And it only goes like 3 times when that happens. So I should just need to change the number. So it brought us 3 down and we have another 3 to go. So so this might work.
I think as we're doing this, I'm expecting you to be following, and if you can try to do yours as well, so that at least you can see the solution. Okay. So as we are doing this, you can try doing yours as well. Yeah. Wow, that is good.
And it's done.
Yeah.
Collect all the nectar from each flower and make honey at the honeycomb. So I'll have to get nectar 4 times. Then if I get that, so I can do move forward, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. Move forward, and I'll need another repeat. Because 4 times I need to get the nectar. So let's see where that gets us. So then we just need to move forward and make honey. But that also depends on how many times we have to make honey. So let's just see if it just is right to do that once. But no, we have to repeat it 4 times. So that then goes down to 0.
Okay, that's brilliant.
Make all the honey. So all that we should need to do is like, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we do this, move forward, make honey. So if we then do that, it'll go towards it, and it should then do the left, and I can repeat it. I should just be able to put this over it, so that it's going to repeat it twice.
Okay, that's good.
And now there's the last level. Look closely at the code below. How much honey will the bee make when you click run? I've already done this one, and I put my answer as 12. But when you come and do this, you can put your own answer. So that's all that we have right now.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much, everyone. So what we're going to do now for the so we're going to break into rooms right now, right? So I want those guys that have done it before, that you want to be late in your room, so that you can be able to do this in your room. So you can raise your hand up. So then I will put you in the breaker rooms. So okay, so I'm going to assume that everyone that's raising their hands up, you've done it. You've done this particular one. So it's only those guys that have done it. So that I want you guys to raise your hand up to be able to lead your room, okay? So your role within the room is to encourage everyone that has not done it, okay? To help them to be able to do it. Today, we're going to have enough time. I think I'll give you 20 minutes. So, yes.
I've done it, but I've not done everything. So can I just be like assistant something?
First, I want everyone that have done everything first, right? So if I don't have any, if that I don't have everyone that's finished, because I want people that have done it, you know, the solution, so you can assist other people, right? That is the reward for you to have finished it. So that I think I'll prefer to get everyone that have kind of finished. So you need to be the lead, so I would get those. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Thank you, guys. Okay. So the first person, Yasera, you're going to be in room 1. Lalu, you are going to be in room 2. Leading room 2, Lalu. So, and David, you are in room, David. Okay, where is David? Okay. So that is it, because there are a lot of Davids here. So if you can put your name, okay. So yeah, I think in room 1, yeah, a lot of Davids, I think. So I think you might have renamed your name anyway. So you're in room 1, room 2, yeah. Okay. So David A, okay. Shadow Emmanuel. So you're in room 3. David OM. You're going to be in room 4. In room 5. So you, okay, no, I think it's up to room 4. Taylor, you're going to be in room 1. Taylor, you're going to be in room 1. That's Taylor, room 1. Then Joju, you're going to be, Joju will be in room 2. So you're going to be room 2, Joju. Room 3, yeah, Amatu Anan, you're going to be in room 3. So room 4, you're going to be Tara, you are in room 4. So those are the leads in each of the rooms, okay? So then I've got some assistant leads as well. So those will be Oluwashindara and Olabisi. Oluwashindara, you are also going to assist in room 1, I think. Okay, yeah, Oluwashindara, you are going to assist in room 1, and room 2, Olabisi, you are going to assist in room 2. Olabisi, you're going to assist in room 2. So then Jumi and Grace, you guys are going to assist in room 3. Okay, I think that is it, to be honest. So,
Mr. Deji,
yes.
Mr. Deji, sorry to interrupt. Am I a leader in room 2 or?
Yeah, Lalu, you are a leader in room 2, yes. Okay.
Then is Joju leader in room 2 as well?
So you got 2 leaders actually. So room 2, you have, yeah, both of you guys. You have 2 leads in each of the rooms, okay? So you guys need to kind of work together as a lead to assist. So what you need to do is ask everyone, right, if they have issue with any part of the puzzle, right, to assist them, right? So let's try to ensure that everyone participates, okay? So ask everyone to show their screen to see where they're at, okay? It's very, very important so that you ask them to show where they are so you can see. So I want everyone to participate. Ask them to show their screen. Give them 1 minute, okay? Or 1 second, yeah. Let everyone show their screen to see where they're at, okay? And if anyone haven't done it, so ask them why. So I want everyone to show their screen. I want everyone. So only you guys that are the lead, ensure that everyone shows their screen. And yeah, so, and if it's just a matter of seeing that everything is green on their screen, then that's fine. That means they've finished. You get it now. So I want everybody to show their screen, okay? Thank you. I will see you guys.
Sorry for interrupting, but are we starting at 1? Sorry, but
Oh, sorry?
are we starting at 1?
So what I want you to do for the first thing, right? I want everybody, right, to share their screen to see or where they are at, okay? You want to start from number 1 at the end, or I want everyone to have done it, to have finished the 13, okay? So one thing that you want to do, everyone should have finished from 1 to 13. So you start from 1. But one thing I want you to do first, right, is to ask how many people have done theirs, right? So let's say everyone say, oh, I've done mine. So ask them to share their screen quickly so that you can see. Tolu Alashe, if you want to, can you take off camera? Thank you. I will stop that. Okay, so you want everyone to raise their hand if they've done their puzzle, okay? So if they've done their puzzle, ask them to share their screen quickly. That will take only 5 seconds, okay? So then other ones that have not done, you can start with them from 1 to 13. See how many you're able to do, okay? All right, hope that is clear for everyone. So I will repeat, okay? When you join your room, ask everyone to say, okay, how many people have done it? They should raise their hand. Those ones that raise their hand, let them quickly share their screen, okay? So say, okay, this is what they've done, 5 seconds, right? Oh, okay, they've seen it and that's fine. For those ones that have not done it, okay, then ask them to share their screen to see that, okay, you can help them to be able to do it, okay? Okay, all right, cool. Thank you. I'll see you.
Excuse me, Mr. Deji.
Okay.
Sorry to interrupt. I've got my hand up, but you didn't call me as a lead or assistant.
Okay, all right. So, okay, no worries. Maybe I missed you. Apologies for that. Really, I'm going to slot you in. Hopefully, I did not miss any other one as well. So, apologies for that. That was not intentional. So,
Sorry, but like, am I a leader or assist?
you're going to assist Olabisi, yeah, from Olua Shindara, you are assisting Olabisi, you are assisting Jimmy, you are also assisting Olanife, you are assisting. So, okay, Tireni, you're going to lead room 3, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
What room am I in? For assistant.
Olanife, you are in, okay, you are in room 1. You're going to assist in room 1 as well, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
I'll see you guys later. So you guys can join your room now, okay? Thank you.
4 times. You know the second repeat block you put inside the repeat 4 times. Can you please change it to 3, please?
Okay.
And you don't really need the repeat 12 anymore.
Alright.
So in the
Yes, sir.
Hi.
Okay, hello everyone. So let's get the feedback from the rooms. Okay. From room one, who are the leads in room one? Do you want to give me feedback?
Room one went well. Just one person just didn't. They were on a different one. I think they were on lesson 8, and they said they needed help, but we weren't doing that one, so we couldn't help them. But
That's okay.
everything else was all right. We helped a few people, and everyone got it as well.
Okay, that's brilliant. Well done. Thank you so much. That is good. So yeah, we are not yet on lesson 8, so it's good that some people already kind of gone ahead. That's okay. Any other person from room 1 that wants to say anything? Okay.
Yeah. Just only a few people needed help, but some people were waiting till the last minute to actually put their hand up. So when you said there was 1 minute more, someone said that they needed help, but we couldn't really get to them.
Okay. All right. Cool. But I know you guys are really helping some people. That's good. So okay, let's move to room 2. Room 2, please.
Oh yeah, room 2 we managed, one person managed to do like the nested loops, and we only managed to help like 2 people. But like when you said like we were on a 3rd person, but like the time was up before we could finish like helping them. So yeah, that's all we did.
All right. Cool.
And our lead was very helpful in our group.
That's good to know. That's good. Thank you so much for that. So that's brilliant. It's good to kind of talk about people that really helped you. Thank you for bringing that up. That's good. Well done. Who was that?
It was me and Joji. Me and Joji.
Okay,
Yeah.
Well done. You guys are fantastic. Well done for that. Well done for a great job that you did. Okay, let's move to room 3, please. Room 3.
Room 3 was all right. We had only 3 people who needed help, and we managed to only help out 2 of them, and only one of them was able to finish the lesson.
Okay, all right.
It was all right. And then the leader was really helpful and helped those people who needed help, and we managed to do it. Yeah, just one person did it.
So that is good. Well done. It's good when you guys kind of step up to help other people, which I think is good. It's a very good quality of a leader, actually, which you guys are anyway. So well done for that. Yeah. So let's move to room 4, please. Update from room 4.
Room 4 was quite okay. Just a few people needed help, and our leader was also very helpful.
Good. Thank you so much for this leaders. Okay, any other person?
Yeah, we got to go around. Yeah, most people.
Okay, all right. So I want to say
The leader was really good.
All right. I want to say thank you to all these leaders. So it's good that you guys are taking this up and also leading your team very well. Thank you. So let's give them a good shout and say thank you to them. Okay, you can shout it out. Thank you, all these leaders. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, all right, cool. Thank you, everyone. So thanks all these leads for a great job that you've done, actually. So I think you are a leader, truly, to be honest. So well done. So okay, so we're going to take a break for 5 minutes, and we start the Python. Okay, before we do that, okay, let's just take a break. Okay, 5 minutes. So as we are taking that break, I'm going to ask a few questions, actually. So if someone can shout it out for me, what is loop? Okay.
Sorry, I'm sorry, Mr. Deji. I'm sorry to like interrupt you, but on like the Python thing, I didn't really like on last session on Sunday, I was raising my hand up for help and like I wasn't really helped. So I was wondering this time, could I get help, please?
All right, we'll see what we can do anyway. So sometimes is the time. We got less time anyway. So let's see. Remind me before the end of the session. Okay.
Okay.
Mr. Deji.
Yes.
You know about Python? You said that you were gonna help us log in into Python, but you didn't really get the chance to.
That's it. I'm going to help you log in, or what do you say?
Because I told you that we needed help logging into Python.
Okay, all right. So maybe what we're going to do today, rather than doing a new thing, actually, so maybe we'll just help everyone that needed help with Python, actually. So, and we'll just do that, and that'll be it for today. So that we get everybody onto where they need to be. Okay. So, okay, let me quickly ask a few questions. What is a loop, right? Does anyone what?
It's
something repeated.
When blocks are played more
When
than
you
once.
put something
A
in,
loop
it's
is
a
when you
repeat
put
block.
something. Like when you repeat
It's
the
a
same
repeat
thing.
block.
It's a repeat block.
Okay, thank you so much. So yeah, it's technically a repeat block or a set of sequence, or when things are repeating itself, then it becomes a loop, right? Okay, that's good. Well done, guys. So now, when you say a nested loop, what does that mean? What is a nested loop?
It means loops in another loop.
Okay, another person.
Does it?
It has a
inside another loop. You have two repeat blocks, and then
Okay,
you
all
put
right. Can
one
we
block
can we
inside
have
each other.
can we have our hands raised now? Can we raise our hands so that I can call you? Yeah, Sarah, please. Yeah.
A loop put in another loop.
Okay, good. David.
It's like a repeat block, and then it's in another repeat block, and it does stuff.
Okay, good. Thank you. Tara.
A nest loop, does it mean like when it goes like does it keep on repeating?
Yeah, okay. It's like a loop inside another loop. You have a repeat block inside another repeat block. Okay. All right. Jumi.
A nested loop is like when you have two repeat blocks, and then you put one of the repeat blocks inside the other.
Thank you so much, Jumi. Okay, David.
I forgot to put down my hand.
Okay, all right, cool. Thank you. So yeah, I think you guys are really spot on. Your answers are correct. Yeah. So a nested loop is when you have a loop inside another loop. Yeah. So yeah, basically loop the loop like that. All right. So yeah, that is what you call a nested loop. Yeah. So that's what we've done today. We've kind of tried to put a loop inside another loop. Okay. So, and yeah, okay. All right, let's move to Python. Okay. Who wants to remind us where we stopped last week? Okay, I've got some people raising their hands. Okay. Yasera and Tolu.
Comment.
Comment. Okay. All right. So we stop our comment. What is a comment? Okay. And how do we do comments? So, okay. Okay. Let me call Peace. Okay. Or Tara.
A comment is in Python so exactly the hashtag goes first, so then you write anything down, then when you run it and it will make a comment.
Okay, thank you so much, Tara, for that. So yeah, hashtag. So okay, Tolu, please.
Is it like a code that is written in a certain way? And it has
Not really. So when you put a comment in Python, what does it mean? How do you do that? If you want to comment a code, what do you do? What do you put in there?
You put what the code is, like what is the code doing? Like if it's like if it says city_pop, you can put on top of it hashtag this is telling how much people lives in that country.
Thank you. Thank you. That is really good explanation. So you can use a comment to explain what a code does. You use hashtag. Okay. Kamsi.
A comment is used to tell the maker of a code what the code is doing, but the computer does not read it.
Thank you so much, Kamsi. That is really a good explanation because of what you added last. the computer doesn't read a comment. It just ignores it, actually, right? So it just ignores that comment. So that is good, guys. That is brilliant. Okay. All right. So Jimmy and Grace.
A comment is like when you want to say something and then you put hashtag in front of it, so then like it's clear to like people seeing it that, oh, this is a comment.
Okay, that is good. Thank you so much for that. So yeah, so that's how to do comments. So you push hashtag on it, and that's good. So thank you so much. Okay, and I've got Sarah. I see you have your hand up. Okay, and do you want to contribute or you got questions?
No, sorry, it was a mistake.
Okay, all right, cool. Okay, all right. So what we're going to do today, since I think some people are saying they've got issues, then we can help them with that. So, okay, let's try to help as many people as possible today. So, okay, so I need some, people to raise their hand to help as well. So if you want to raise your hand to help me, okay. All right, good. I've got some helpers today, some assistants, okay? So, and so you guys are, so what good, you can lower your hands. Let's have some people that they need help, okay? So if you need help, you can raise your hand. Okay, Lalu or Paula, can you share your screen? What do you need help with?
Are we meant to put our hand up if we need help?
Yes, you raise your hand if you need the help. Yeah, please.
You have to press login.
Okay.
We've already had an account, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, can you log in with that account then? Okay, good.
Okay.
Scroll down. Resume your learning.
I'll resume it. Press accept on the thing. How do you? So you need to put let me go on my one.
Yeah.
Also, if you still don't get it, because we've passed these ones, you can go on YouTube and search up Coding for Kids by Kids, and you can.
And then you'll see it on the website.
So on this one, it says
We can't see your screen.
Yeah, it's black, but now we can see it. Where it says you take this chair away, you
I
need to
can't
put
see it.
You need to put quotation marks.
If
So
you
you have to
scroll
read.
down, Lola.
Oh,
And then if you scroll down on every
you
single.
need to do the question speech
Press get-
marks.
If you scroll down on every lesson, you have to the instructions are down there, and if you get stuck, there's a hint for you. So what you just have to do is that
You need to add speech
you know where it
marks.
says 2, you have to add speech marks in the brackets. 2, number 2.
Number two.
Like
speech marks.
Like
Why
the double ones.
Why is it speech mark necessary, guys?
Because it is telling.
Because it's
Because someone's speaking.
talking.
Someone's speaking. The computer's.
All right. So the computer
Alright,
is working. So when you put something in
Show
a
the
speech
code.
mark,
On the first one, the
One has one speech mark and the one has two.
yeah. So just use reading.
okay, when you put something in a speech mark, what is that called? What's the right name for that thing in a speech mark?
Quotation marks.
Close. So
Comment.
no, really. So maybe I'll give a point to someone that will get this. Yeah.
Speech.
No.
What's the question?
If you put a
Code.
speech mark in a particular word, right? What is that called in Python?
Is
Someone
it
said
called inverted
close.
commas?
No, it's one of the data types, right? What type of data type is that?
So can you repeat the question again?
Strings.
Is it speech
Thank you.
rank?
Thank you. Who said that? Who said strings?
Me.
Who's me?
Oluwanifemi.
Oluwanifemi. Thank you so much. I think you're going to get the what's it called? The student of this day, actually, of today. So well done. String is the answer. Oluwanifemi, well done. That is good. How do we do applause actually? Yeah, let me see. What's that? I need to hear. So, but yeah, Oluwanifemi, that was good. Well done.
It's all reactions.
Reaction. Well done. Yeah. So no, I will make you a co-host today. So you're going to be, yeah. So well done. That was good, Oluwanifemi. So it's actually called a string. Okay.
Thank you.
Let's continue. Okay. So.
Okay.
So okay. What issues do you have again, Lalu?
It says create a variable to the state. So all you need to
Who wants to help? Who wants to help with this one?
Me.
Okay. All right. Let's have peace. Okay.
Okay, so are you on variables? So on variables, you can do like today's date or sorry. Can do today's date or
Can you type that, Georgie, please? Yeah. Okay, I think Tolu already typed something anyway. So yeah. Can you copy what Tolu has written?
it doesn't have to be
I
today's
think you have
date, it
to.
could be any date.
I think you have to put an underscore.
Yeah,
You
that's
need to
right.
put a
Today's.
space between the equal.
What is it called?
You need to put a space between the equal. And you need to put like a line down.
Okay. So what else do you need to do? What else do you need to fix?
You need to put a
Then after on the second line.
A dash. I'll do it in the chat.
You need to put an underscore. It's called an underscore. Yeah. In between the day,
In
today's
today's date, today's date and in between today's and dates. You need to put an equal there as well. Equal.
After the date, you need equal. Yeah.
Space between date. Space between.
I know what I have to do after.
No, you need to remove the space.
You don't need to put a space.
Space between day and 9.
You don't need to put a space.
You don't need space, or else it's not gonna work.
And then after on the
I
second
need
line.
Yeah.
Space between today's, date and 9. Because you need to do for the equal. And on the other side. Equal.
They put a space.
Space
And
on
on
the
the
other
other
side.
side
Put a
as
space
well.
between the date and the equal.
And then after, on the
Then
second line,
run.
you have to do something else. I know what you have to do. So you have to make a second line.
Oh, you need to put speech marks. Speech marks between
Print.
So you have
the
to
day.
put print. You need to put print.
I didn't put print on it
On
when.
no, not there. On the second line.
Second line.
No,
No.
not like that. Then go on to the second line. Then you have to put print. Then you have to do brackets.
Brackets.
Then today's date with an underscore after today's.
Okay.
You have to put the date like
And
not
then
in-
run.
Then
You
run.
Run.
You don't put the date in numbers because it doesn't really work.
Days. Then run.
It doesn't really work if you put the date in numbers because
So you have to do it in letters. So
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
have to be the 9th of
March.
May.
May.
So
You can leave the 9 and
Okay,
stuff,
all right,
but
guys. All right,
month.
guys. So I think what you are missing is only the no. You can put what you put in
missing
there
a
before.
comma.
So what you are missing before was just the code speech mark. Okay. So was just a speech mark. If you use 9, 12 like that, you will be fine as well. Okay. All right. Now arithmetics. Okay. Multiply two numbers together and assign the result to a variable called product. So how do you do this? Who wants to help?
can I help?
Okay, who's that? Yeah, Sarah, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yes, please.
So what you have to do is so you have to put a number. If you put a number, it says multiply two numbers. So the if you want to multiply, you have to use the mark that goes like this. I'll just type it in chat real quick. The mark that goes like that in between the. So like you could have done.
I can't see the screen. It's just black.
So you could have done this. You could have done.
Black on the other side.
You could have done. So what you need to do is put product. Then you have to put a space. So products, and then you have to put a space. Then equals. Then put a space. And then put like any number, but it has to be between 1 and 9. And then put a space, and then the multiply sign, which is just the hash, not really the hashtag, but I'll type it in chat again. It's like this.
It's
sign.
like a star. Yeah.
And then put a space and put any number between 1 and 9 as well. And then the next one, it says, what is the remainder when 1,398 is divided by 11? So what you have to do is save the results in a variable called remainder. So if you go up, the divide sign is the percentage.
It needs to be a percentage.
So what you have to do is make the variable called remainder on the second line.
Type a remainder.
And then put a space and put it equals like the product.
Put your number in.
And then if you put another space, and then if you scroll down to where the second instruction is, yeah, you have to put the numbers 1,398 divided by, which is the percentage, 11.
Percentage.
Put a space.
Put a space in it. And then 11.
And then put the 11. And then if you press run, it should work. Press run again. There you go. So if you scroll down for me, please. Scroll to the instructions.
I know what to do.
Okay, can you explain?
So first of all, I'm going to line 14 or 15. And then after you want to put
After that, you want to put annual rainfall.
You put
and then add a plus sign.
Oh, you mean to put a dash on between them.
Annual underscore rainfall. Annual underscore. Wait, 1 second, 1 second. Wait, 1 second. Is that?
And plus. You need a space first.
Wait. I'm trying to figure out what happened here.
So to leave a space and then plus equals the
Oh, can you please reset your workspace? Can you please reset your workspace? The thing going like the circle. Yeah, reset it. Oh, it keeps doing that then. So make line 14. Wait. Before you do that, you know where it says annual October rainfall? Make a space there. And take away the November rainfall and December. No, just don't take it away. And then click the enter button. Okay, so what you need to do now is click annual rainfall, annual underscore rainfall. Type it in.
sorry, but you're missing something.
What is she missing?
So can you please delete all of that first? Then can you please go over to line 14? Then press enter. Then after you want to do September to December rainfall. So first of all, you have to put September. Underscore.
What is that on 10 to 11? Isn't
No.
that no?
That's
No,
if
not
you
that.
look at
The
this.
1 minute,
September
1 minute,
underscore
1 minute.
rainfall.
Let her finish, okay? Let's listen and see if it works. So if it doesn't work, then we can talk about it, okay?
Can you please delete that? And just delete the rainfall. Then to MTO. Then underscore. Then December.
It doesn't even say that.
And then underscore. Then rainfall. Then you want to do a space. Then equals. And another space. And then you want to do 5.16. Then space.
It's not gonna work. What are you trying to do?
Then you do space. Then plus. Then space. Then 7.20.
12.20. You mean 7.20? This is not working.
Then space.
This is the hard one.
Then plus.
Space.
Space.
6.
Then 5.06.
Oh.
Then space. Then plus. Space. 4.06.
I don't think this is gonna work.
Yes,
It's not
Then you go on to another line.
It's not on mine, and I already completed it. So.
Then you do annual rainfall. Annual, then underscore rainfall.
What is this guy doing?
Then you do space. Then you do equals. Then you do September underscore.
I'll turn on the heater for you.
There's no space between the underscore and the September. I need to go back. because there's no space on the. There's no space with.
Don't think when I don't think when you add the September to December
There's no
rainfall
space.
equals 5 point
I think
Yeah,
it will
yeah,
work
Sarah,
because
can we let her finish, okay? Then after she has Oluwanifemi has finished, then you can have a turn, okay, and we can explain, okay.
Then you have to delete the underscore.
Lalu, can you delete the underscore? Then delete the
Then
space.
delete again.
Yeah.
Then underscore.
Yeah.
2 TO. Then underscore. December. Then underscore. Rainfall. And then after, you have to go back to line 15. And then where it says December,
It's small letter.
you have to put a small d for December because you did small d there.
And then you click on. Oh. After rainfall, and then before the equals, you need to put a plus, the plus sign. Yeah, and put the plus sign. There.
That's good. Okay. Can we run it now?
There.
Okay. Can you go back, please? Can you go back one step? Click on back button. So, well done, Oluwanifemi. This is brilliant. I like how you kind of, even with all this noise, it's not going to work. You still stick on and you are able to explain it. To be honest, I think, yeah, I think the award I gave to you, I think you really, really merit it. So you are the student of this particular today, right? Student of the day. So well done for that. That is brilliant, actually. So let me ask someone to explain what Oluwanifemi has done. I know Oluwanifemi can explain it, but I just need another person, okay? So I'm going to lower your hands, everyone. So if you want to explain this, actually, so you can raise your hand, okay? Okay. Yeah, I know Yasera has been saying it's not working. That's not right thing. So let me hear from you, okay, Yasera. Then I'll go to Jumi and Grace, okay?
he put so he added, you know where it says the July rainfall, he and then August rainfall, and then September, and then October, November, and December. He added those he put those together, and he added it, so like it's like here where it says January to June rainfall. That was before like it would have said January rainfall, and then it would say a certain number. And then here what he did was he added some rainfalls up, and then he yeah, I think that's what he did there.
Okay, all right. So what we have done differently? Because I know when he was doing this, you are saying, this might not work actually. But you know that it works now. What we have done differently. Hold on 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. I'm gonna allow you to ask. But you guys know that coding, right? Well, what happened? So there are a lot of ways you can do this in coding. Lot of ways. Okay. The fact that Oluwanifemi used this approach does not mean that your approach is also wrong. Do you get it down? As long as you get the same result, then it is brilliant. Okay. Yasera, okay, what we have done differently? What we have done differently. Okay. Let's move to Jumi. Jumi, what do you think? Yeah, sorry. Jumi and Grace.
I felt like she has used like what she knows is right, and like she used her own ideas, not anybody else's.
Okay, which is good actually. Yeah. Oluwanifemi, are you a she or a?
I'm a she.
She, okay, all right. So that we know. Yeah. Okay. But well done. That is really, really brilliant. Okay. So, and I'm really, really impressed how you kind of did it actually. So putting it together. I know some people will have said, yeah, annual rainfall is equals annual rainfall and September, and also they do the same thing for October, do the same thing for November, do the same thing for December, which might work as well. But what you now did, which is brilliant, is to kind of add them together, then add them to the annual rainfall. Well done. That is good. So can we have any? Okay, Kamsi, you got your answer.
I think what he did was added all the rainfalls together in all the seasons, then now got the total, then that is now the annual rainfall. I think that's what he did.
Yeah. So that is really, really good. Well done. That's brilliant. Okay. So peace.
Excuse me.
Okay, yeah.
There's still one more step to it, but it's already passed, but there's still one more step.
Okay, yeah, let's hear it.
So first of all, you have to make a new line on it. Then you put print. Then you put brackets. Then you put annual rainfall with an underscore after annual. Then I think you should run it. It should work.
Okay, brilliant. So why did you add that one?
That's because that's all the rainfall from the whole year. So that's all the rainfall on that it's printed.
Okay, yeah, that's what I'm looking for. So that with that particular line 17, you are printing all the annual rainfall for that particular year. Well done. That's good. So yeah, to be honest, that is brilliant. Okay, so now I want someone, right? Okay, Jimmy, you got your answer of any.
After, can we help me log in like the yeah. Right.
Sorry?
After, can we also help me log in to Python as well?
All right, cool. No problem. Yeah, we're going to look at that. Okay. Joshua F. Joshua F. Joshua F. Okay. Ferromi. Ferromi, please. Okay. All right. So Lekon, sorry, I said
sorry.
Who was sharing the screen before? Opola, do you want to share your screen? Yeah.
Sir, I'm sorry, but Farmi can't like unmute himself.
Okay, all right. Lalu, do you want to share your screen, please, again?
Okay.
Okay. I want someone to explain something for me, right? So I'm going to lower your hands, okay? So I want someone to explain line 16. What is line 16 doing, right? Who wants to explain line 16 for us?
Okay.
Right.
Can you hear me? Okay,
Yes.
so line 16 is actually adding September to December rainfall to the variable, to the annual rainfall variable.
Cool. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay.
Can I say
Yeah,
something
Sarah.
as well?
Yeah, please.
So it's adding up. You know where he wrote September to December rainfall? It's adding it up, and where it says September to December rainfall, it's saying add up the annual rainfall to from September to December rainfall, and then it's going to print the annual rainfall, which is for 45.21.
That's cool. Thank you so much. I think you guys are so brilliant. Okay. Oluwanifemi.
Yes, Sarah said what I wanted to say.
Okay, brilliant. Okay, Jimmy.
Line 16 is explaining that she's added up all of them, and she's is telling it that I've added this up and that.
Okay, all right, thank you. So yeah, okay, I think you guys are really fantastic. Let's do the next one quickly in 1 minute. Go to the next, and that is going to be comment, right? So which is very easy actually. So put in comment, okay? And now we're going to put a comment. We're going to comment about Oluwanifemi today. Okay, can someone put a comment for her actually for what she has done just on the chat? Okay, just put a comment. Okay, you know, comment should start with what?
Hashtag.
That's fine. So I'm going to say, okay, let's put a comment in there, okay, for her. So okay, so you can see mine. So Oluwanifemi is really yeah. So thank you, so guys. So yeah, so well done, Oluwanifemi. You've done very well today. So I'm really proud of that. Okay, all right. So I'm going, if you can stop sharing, and also I think we also need to kind of say thank you to Lalu as well. Lalu, you've done well as well. I know it's not easy to be typing.
Thank you.
Yeah, so well done for that. So you got people telling you what to do. To be honest, trust me, it's not that easy actually. So well done for that. Yeah. Okay. So all right, let's move to Jimmy and Grace. I think you guys said you got questions. So for the next 15 minutes that we have. So apologies on this one.
It's okay. Okay. Should I share my screen?
Yes, please. And I think there's a noise where you are. So if you don't mind, yeah. Maybe your parents, that's okay. You're actually in this session, if that's okay. Okay, yeah, if you can share your screen.
So I'm not to Python, so I wasn't sure whether to click on this or this.
Okay, all right. So let's ask some people to help you out. So I'm going to lower everyone's hands. Who wants to help Jimmy with this? Okay, let me see if I have a new person that's not spoken. Someone that's not spoken. Okay, okay, I think I will skip you guys not for anything. Let's hear from Peace. Peace, do you want to help Jimmy, please? Peace.
Okay, so you can brush to the right, the world sign.
This.
No, down. Towards the world sign. Yeah, that one. Wait. Up, no, scroll up. Mr. Judge, should I share my screen to show him.
No, I will prefer that. Yeah, she's going to be able to. She's going to be able to do
It's a
that.
she.
So quickly, it's a she. Okay, yeah. Jimmy, if you go to the URL, all right, where you have the URL, where you have the search at the top, or up a bit, up a bit. Where's your mouse? Go up a bit, up a bit. Yeah, on the left, up, go up, just go up. Where's your mouse?
Up.
Up. Where's your mouse? Yeah, just go up.
Yeah.
Put your mouse up. Go up on your mouse. Up again. Just continue going up. Continue going up. Up
It's the
Or
again.
you could press the world sign where
Yeah.
it's like, and when
So
it
up,
says
up,
codeacademy.com.
up a bit, up a bit, up a bit, up. Go,
I've
still
gone
go up.
up.
The URL.
Okay, maybe you go Zoom covering that. Can you move the Zoom at the top, this Zoom panel at the top, move it away at the top? Because you want, yeah. Can you see the URL now where you have the HTTP www? Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay, can you click on that? Okay, now type codeacademy.com.
Codeacademy.com.
Yeah.
.com.
Yes. .com. Yeah. And press enter. Okay.
Enter.
Then from there, I think Peace, you can continue from
Yeah.
there. Yeah.
And then you can go down.
Oh, this is document. It's
Go down.
watching.
Scroll down, please.
Okay, wait.
Wow.
Up. Cat, have you already logged in?
Yeah.
I think,
Yeah.
Oh, you are, Jimmy.
Yeah.
She's
Already logged in.
See, you got Learn Python 2 at the bottom.
And then press that like Learn Python 2. Down. Press it again. And then down. And then start. Press start. And you can watch the videos. I'll send the link for the video.
Thank you, Peace. Yeah.
Just a second.
So from here now, you can watch the video. The video will tell you what to do. So you just need to go through the instruction. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Peace. Peace has sent the video. Okay. So you can watch the video. You got steps to go through. Okay. Is that okay, Jimmy?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right. So any other question, guys? So if you have any question, please do raise your hand up. Okay. Any question? Any question? So anyone having any issues? You don't know what to do? Okay, Kamsi?
I'm having issues on lesson 10.
Okay, lesson 10 on which one? The code.org.
No, Code Academy.
Okay. Is that after comments?
Arithmetic.
Yeah.
It's after comments, right?
Yeah.
I can't
Okay, all right.
see
So
the link.
okay, we're done for that anyway. So we are not there yet. Yeah, anything after comments. We're going to start next week from after
Excuse
comments.
me.
Yeah. So we're going to start from there. Yeah.
Excuse
Okay,
me.
Jimmy.
I can't see the link to
It's in the chat. I sent it.
I can't. It's not there.
Okay. So
Can you see it, Mr. Deji?
yeah, I can see it. Yeah, but I will
I
send
can't
it
see it.
again.
It's not there.
Okay, so I will send it again to you. So just search for, okay. All right, if you go to, can you open a new tab on your screen?
Okay, wait.
Okay, and then go to youtube.com.
Huh? What did you say?
youtube.com. Press enter. Then search for Coding for Kids by Kids.
I sent the link.
Search for Coding for Kids by Kids. Okay. So can you type Coding for Kids by Kids? For Kids by Kids. And press enter. Okay, can you press that one? You see Coding for Kids by Kids. Okay.
Channel.
You have already subscribed as well, so you should know. Isn't it? Have you? You've not subscribed. Okay, maybe you should. Yeah, so you should subscribe to that. Yeah. So yeah, and if you go to live, click on live. So if you scroll down, you're going to see
Everything like updating variable and writing comments in Python.
Yeah. So if you scroll down, or I think better still. Okay, you see after the live, you see playlist. Okay, click on the playlist. Okay, then you see Learn Python for Kids February. The next one, click on that. So you have all the playlists there, right? So yeah, so that's his introduction, and the next one on your right is what we are working on, right? So go to the next one on the right. See number 2 on the right. Yeah, that one. Click on that. Yeah. Yeah. So that is the one that you need to watch. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys.
Bye.
Hold on, guys. I think some people are raising their hands quickly. So let me quick. Okay. Okay. Kemi O.
This isn't a question, but I just wanted, since your birthday was a few days ago, I just wanted to say happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Kemi. That was so nice of you. Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay. All right. Tolu, please.
On the code.org, I'm stuck on it.
Code.org. Which one are you stuck on? So, okay. If you want to share your screen quickly, so who's sharing this screen?
Jubio.
Okay. Yeah. So, okay. All right. Quickly.
Can I help? Can I help her?
Okay.
We just did this one today.
Should I help her?
Okay, quickly, yes.
I'm not sure what to do.
Okay, all right. Even I think spent. Okay, Tolu, do
Let
you
me
want
help.
to YouTube? Please, can you go to YouTube?
Should I help
show
her?
you the answers, okay?
I can
You got
help
the
her.
answer there, okay? Okay, so if you go to live, right?
I
Go
don't
to,
understand this.
yeah, sorry?
I don't really understand what I'm supposed to do right now.
Who's that?
Should I?
Jason.
Which game should I put?
Yeah, so the answer is that there. Okay, all right. Okay, David, do you want to help quickly, please?
Yes,
David.
I will. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we have to do. So you know the one that says question marks are all question marks.
Yeah.
Change that to 3. And then inside that 3, remove the term right. And then put turn left under, but not down. Put the turn left down. Yes, there. Yeah. And then put turn right under everything. All right. No, I meant yeah. Wait, where you put it before? No, not there. Wait.
Inside.
Yes,
Yeah,
there.
under repeat.
And then reset and run it. That should work.
Yeah. You can see your codes that you showed that you did.
Okay. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And 11.
All right, cool. I think that we're going to stop on that. So if you have any other thing, I think the answer is in the YouTube. So you need to watch it, okay? So, okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a
Mr. Deji, Mr. Deji, Mr. Deji, Mr. Deji, Mr. Deji, Mr. Deji.
Bye. Thank you.
Mr. Dizzy.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.